Oh, violation of rights.
Yeah, they were hoping that we didn't know that they can open carry.
Oh my
They need to find a new
God.
scam though. Hey, you guys need to find a new scam. Like
I ain't
this is
scamming
like an
you,
old
bro.
one.
Ain't nobody scamming. You came out here. We didn't call you.
We got a call.
You got a call, but we didn't call
You
you.
have to go, bro.
No, you could observe. That's it. You choose to respond this way. We can't force you to do anything
we
you don't
don't
want to do.
choose to respond.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
That's how you get fired.
Wow.
You chose to respond this way.
Wow.
I didn't call you.
You said you're wasting stock dollars.
No, you're wasting tax dollars.
Wow.
That's what I'm saying.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Wow. But he want us to answer his questions. What's your name? What's your badge number?
Funded by tax.
But he don't want to answer our questions. Wow.
You're not going to be able to search me, bro.
I didn't say search.
You're not going to be able to pat me down.
Wow.
Because there's not. I'm not gonna get into it.
Don't get into it because you're going to lose.
Is this like sovereign citizen
This is called-
stuff?
Hey,
This can't be
this
happening.
is called the millennials.
Wow. So how often does this happen, Northfleet?
All over the country.
'Cause
Not
this
much in
is-
Florida. I'm surprised.
This is new to me.
Oh,
I'm done talking to you guys. Go do your job.
Wow.
All right, everybody. If you haven't watched the video, I'll leave that link. I'll pin that the video to the top. But the first three people that can tell me how many times she says "wow" in this video, I'm going to send you a little package of stickers. Yeah, that's all I can say. This lady, she's just all for friggin' rockadoo. Wow. Wow. Just tell me how many times she says wow, and the first three people to send me an email to thearmfisherman@gmail.com. The first three people that get it right, I'm going to make you some stickers, and I'm going to get them shipped out to you. Links will be in the description, and let's do it.